Integrated payments have revolutionized the way shops handle their daily transactions. That's why here at Techmetric, we are excited to announce TechMerchant, now powered by Stripe. With the latest enhancements, shops can offer customers more flexibility when it comes to payment options. As an example, you can offer Buy Now, Pay Later, powered by Affirm and Klarna. These payment options allow customers to say yes to more of your recommended work to help them safely get back on the road without having to pay the full amount up front. Additionally, the integration between Techmetric and TechMerchant gets you out the door faster at the end of the day with easy book reconciliation and additional fraud detection measures that provide shops with more security and peace of mind. With more payment options available, such as Google and Apple Pay, shops can provide their customers with the experience they deserve. In addition to providing a better customer experience, integrated payments can also streamline your shop operations. With faster accounting reconciliation and better fraud detection, shops can reduce the time and resources spent on managing payments, so no more misapplied payments. Additionally, text-to-pay options allow shops to process payments more quickly and efficiently, improving the speed and accuracy of transactions and allowing you to get cars back to the customers. Finally, integrated payments provide shops with better reporting capabilities, allowing them to track and analyze payment data in real time. This can help shops identify trends and patterns in customer behavior, as well as monitor the performance of their payment processing systems, quickly identifying any gaps you may have or an opportunity to offer a discount to boost your sales. In conclusion, integrated payments provide a range of benefits for shops, including better fraud detection, text-to-pay, and improved reporting capabilities. By offering more payment options and streamlining shop operations, shops can provide a better customer experience and improve their overall performance.